Be ready. 5 seconds to start. The Paris Agreement has laid down the roadmap to combat climate change, and one of the significant pathways to it is through adopting clean technologies, especially for India, which is the fourth largest emitter of CO2 only after China, the US, and the EU. There is an urgent need to cut emissions. Apart from working towards cutting emissions for preventing climate change, we need to also work towards making the country resilient to climate change, which is already creating a lot of challenges for us in every front. This implies that we need to create better forecasting patterns and better preparedness to tackle various fallouts of climate change through measures like flood management, forest management, water resource management, biodiversity conservation, energy management, and lifestyle management. One of the gravest consequences of climate change is the abruption in rainfall patterns due to increase in the temperatures. For instance, the massive floods of Kerala in 2018 were very much anticipated by abnormal increase in the temperature of the water in the Arabian Sea, but because of inadequate flood management, the loss of lives and property was huge. Similarly, the need for flood management has also been felt in the arid areas of Rajasthan, where even small amounts of rain is seen to create a flood like situations. With increasing uncertainty of rainfall patterns, such instances are going to become more frequent. One of the very promising technologies in flood control is the floodgate technology used extensively in the European countries, particularly the Netherlands, England, and also Japan. Science is the system of inquiry wherein we provide rational and logical explanations of events occurring around us. Technology is the application of science for practical purposes. Inclusive, faster, and sustainable growth and security of the nation is sine qua non for nation building. The innovations in the scientific knowledge and technological prowess from the bedrock of the developmental path of a society. Science and Technology Vision 2035 of India delineates the role of technology in the economic growth of the nation. Technology can transform each sector of the economy and make India a center of global growth. Science and technology help in the upliftment of Indian agriculture. It was high yielding varieties of seeds, irrigation facilities, and other technologies, the adoption of which made India sufficient in food production. A mix of technological interventions in the farm sector can help achieve good growth rate in this sector, thereby ensuring food security. Drip irrigation, sprinklers, watershed management, etc., are being used to increase the water use efficiency. Scientific technologies can be used to ensure water security and also fight against the fallout of climate change. Water desalination technologies can be used to provide safe drinking water in coastal areas where salt water intrusion has happened in groundwater.